Wàhálà ti wà báyìí o fáwọn white garment churches and pastors. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, Pastor Ṣọlá Adeoye ní kò sí yàtọ̀ láàrin àwọn white garment churches, àwọn ìjọ aláṣọ funfun, àwọn bíi Sẹ̀lẹ̀, àwọn bíi Kerubu. Kò sí yàtọ̀ láàrin àwọn pẹ̀lú Babalawo, pẹ̀lú àwọn kan, àwọn iṣẹ́ oríṣiríṣi tí wọ́n máa ń ṣe nínú ìjọ wọn. Wọ́n ní even though pé àwọn other churches náà bíi Redeemed Church, CAC and the rest, pé àwọn yẹn náà wà that truthful in their doings in the church o, but tàwọn ìjọ aláṣọ funfun specifically pé tí wọ́n ti pọ̀ jù. In fact, Pastor Ṣọlá tún go ahead láti sọ experience tí wọ́n ti ní nígbà kan nínú ìjọ aláṣọ funfun kan tó ló wà nílùú Ìbàdàn, níbi tí wọ́n ti ṣe iṣẹ́ kan tó fẹ́ máa jọ bí iṣẹ́ àwọn babaláwo fáwọn. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lẹ́tìkẹ́ gidi gan o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ wò wàhálà eléyìí ò ní part 2 rárá o. Welcome to crossblog XTV. Remember to subscribe, like, share and follow us. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wo fídíò yìí kẹ́ máa bá mi fi ìròyìn lórí ẹ̀sìn kan.
I was on Daddy Free Show and I said something. Now, in every church, in all the churches, I mean, the denominations you see, it is not every denomination that is actually, I mean, in every denomination, you won't see all the churches that are good. In the white garment churches, there are good white garment churches. I go to preach at CNS Ayoni. CNS Ayoni, I've been going there for, I don't know how many years I've been going there. I go there when they do their music concert. I go there to preach. The youth department, they invite me to come and preach there. I go there, I take off my shoes when I go there, but I don't wear sutana when I go there. All right, I go over there. Okay, I do. Okay, so the issue is that it is not every white garment church or churches that are bad. There are good white garment churches that they actually they're propelled by the Holy Spirit. You see, the issue is that there are certain things that they are doing that the young people are trying to make them not to do. When you come to the US, you see, when you go to CNA Zion, you will see the young people over there are talking about, oh, we need to stop this, we need to stop that, we need to stop this, we need to stop that. And the adults are not ready to listen to them. And these are good things for them to stop, because this is the dispensation of knowledge. We are too grown. This is 2024. We can't be doing what our fathers did in 1990, well, what they did in the 1820s. This is a time of difference. We now understand the Bible more than before. Okay? So I go to CNS Ioni, I go over there to preach, I go there listen to their music, because that church is blessed with musicians. I want to miss you only to Labara. Oh, Anibe, it's there. But as I'm saying, do you think I'm saying that all CNS churches are good? No, that's not what I'm saying. There are some bad CNS churches. Same thing Redeem. I've gone to Redeem Christian Church where the pastor is a Babalawo. All he's doing is touching his pocket and something is actually coming out of his pocket. We've seen it. They put it on their ties. All Redeemed Christian Church does it are not good. We are only looking at the image of Baba Adeoye to cover up the whole thing. Do you think all CSC are good? CSC pastors that take juju to church. CSC pastors that take juju to meetings. We see them all the time. You think they're good? It's not every CSC that is good. You think so? Methodist church? You think every Methodist church people are good? No, not everybody. Not every Celeste is good. I actually attended a Celestial Church of God in Ibadan, Oluyole Estate. I'm telling you this. The very first encounter I had was, I was there because I was going to do visa interview. A friend of mine said, you know our mindset as Nigerians, once we want to do something, let's go and check. Once we want to do something, let's go. What's the difference between Kote Selebo and then going to all these redeems? What is the difference? I mean, all these celeb people. What's the difference between you Kote Selebo and going to some of these celeb people? What's the difference? I don't see any difference in it. I don't see no difference at all. I don't see it. All right? So when we got there, the guy told me, oh, Omas, you will do water party, we will do meta. Wala Abella Mary, Wala Ida, Wala Miss Paris. I bought everything from them over there. They are the ones selling these things. It is the mommy pastor or the Oluso's wife selling these things. So I paid the money there. They took my money. They gave me Ida. They gave me perfume. They gave me all this stuff. I went to do water bath 3 times. I went to the embassy. They knocked me rejection. With all the stuff I did. All the money I spent. All right? I did water bath. I did everything. Over there, I bought Miss Paris. I bought everything. The man said, put the Miss Paris on yourself when you're going. I did. I was on the bus. The people were kind of like looking at me like, who's this stupid person just smelling like this? You're just smelling like crazy. I got to the embassy. The lady didn't let me talk nothing. She didn't even ask me questions. She just went, stamp my passport and sent me out. And you're telling me I'm not supposed to be angry? Then I went back to the guy. The guy said, oh, don't worry. We're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. I said, okay. That was how we're doing it again. I stylishly became a member. I now became a member. All right. So I'll sit down there and I will be beating the drums for them to sing. And gradually, I came across one girl who happens to be a rich girl. And then the Olushana told me, don't worry. Don't worry about it. We can make that girl fall in love with you. I said, how? He said, go and get her passport, a picture of her, and get your own picture also. I am telling you guys the truth. I was telling you guys the truth here. I'm not lying to you. All right. So as you see good people, you see bad people. So before you start shouting and be doing, listen attentively and be careful where you go to. A lot of you guys, they have used your destiny where you are. All the churches where you go to, they use your destiny already. They use your destiny. You don't understand it. And that's why you go, shine kakri. That's why your life is not better. Shine kakri. This guy told me, say, go and bring your own picture, bring the woman's picture. So I did. This guy now wrapped my picture with that woman's picture around one idol that is a female and male. Understand? And then he said, I'm going to put it under the pepe. And he did. Under that pepe, there are so many lanterns. Lanterns are there that they actually turn people's problem up and down. I am the one telling it to you right here. So if you think I'm lying, that's your own palaver. I'm telling you what I see, what I know, where I was. Your experience may be different. Maybe if you are not so close, you might not see what they do. You might not understand what they do. But I have seen it firsthand. Nobody shared it with me. I was there. I went there. So if you like, you believe me. If you like, you want to fight, you can fight. Anyhow you like it. That's your palaver right there. So I was there. And then 2 days after, he did that stuff. 2 days after. We killed a ram. That's ritual. All these things are ritual. We killed a ram. I went to the Ileanu. I got water out of Ileanu. And the man put it on that stuff and everything. 2 days after, this girl saw me on the street and looked at me and said, Shola. I said, yes. He said, can I talk to you? I was shocked. The lady that normally don't want to talk to me. Lady don't want to talk to me at all. I just said, never want to talk to me. 2 days after, the lady said, I've been dreaming of you. I said, oh, really? I said, so what do you want? He said, I don't know. We just be friends. We just be friends. We just be friends. You look at myself. I was so shocked about the thing. And then one thing that happened was like, the guy now told me that thing will wear out. I have to come back and renew. I have to come back and renew. I have to come back and renew. All right? So at the end of the day, I borrowed myself brain. And I just walked away from the old things. Okay? Let me tell you this, if you don't understand. That Olushot there got married to one particular yellow girl that came to do prayer from Dubai. The girl did not know when she got married to that man. This guy I'm talking to you about, I know him so well. I know him very well. That woman is living inside that bush till now. I don't know, probably she has left, but she was living in that bush until I left Nigeria in 2003. She was living there with the man. I'm not going to lie to you. This is what I know. So every time people come in to come and do Ishe and all kinds of stuff, then they say we need a Baba Meje. We are the ones that they will give Sultana to go and do water bath for these ladies there. The ones you may express may be different. Your own church may be different. What I know is what I'm telling you. What I've seen is what I'm telling you. You can go all around social media talking rubbish. All right? But what I know is what I'm telling you here. All right? We will be the Ababa Meje. We are the ones that they call Ababa Meje. We put Sultana on us and we go to that place. And then we'll be singing. We'll be singing all manners of songs. At the end of the day, we get there, we use the cane to wash that person's breast, wash his vagina, wash everything, and all kinds of we'll be casting cruise. And then when we are done, the woman will give everybody money. We sit down there and all kinds of stuff. We are not allowed to go and open the pepe. We cannot open the pepe at all. Do you know how many people are doing the belly that they are sleeping with in there? I'm the one telling you right now. Do you know how many people that are there? And they always place that church beside water. Why water? Is Jesus Christ water? Tell me the truth. No, answer the question. Is Jesus Christ water? Why do we have to put the church beside water? You know? Why? What is the significance of the water? inside of it. So we are talking right now, and you guys are not listening. Now, you may not know what is going on underneath your church. But I'm telling you right now, the reason I actually said it on that free show is for people to be careful. Be careful where you go to. Christianity, going back to where I started from, Christianity is a way of life. It is not a religion. Number one, you don't have to go to church to serve God.
Eléyìí má dẹ̀ tún wá lágbára ó gbẹ̀nù tán. Ṣé òótọ́ ni gbogbo nǹkan tí Pastor Ṣọlá sọ kalẹ̀ ǹjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe rí nínú ìjọ aláṣọ funfun? Ó lágbára kọ́ lóun ṣàṣàánú wa lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn. According to some comments ní abẹ́ fídíò Pastor Ṣọlá, a rí Alexis Kitchen Utensils ó ní, and you actually did all this with the laughing emoji. Ó ní you sef don lost before àbí Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká sọnù. Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí kọ́lọ́run kó ṣàánú wa. Àmọ́ ẹni tá a fẹ́ dojúkọ, àmọ́ àwọn pásítọ̀ gan tá a fẹ́ gbàgbọ́ mọ́ ní Nàìjíríà kọ́lọ́run kó ṣàánú ni. Another person, I am Amy, only bad eggs that have plenty of followers. Then Ashakeni, there are bad eggs in every churches. Exactly. Àfikún lòun ṣe àṣàánú wa kó má jẹ́ ká ṣìnà ká má ṣe ìjọ lọ. Another person, Yedenu Daniels, only as far as I'm concerned, I'm a Celestia and I can say there are bad eggs and wrong doctrines. Okay, is that true? That seems simple. Oh no, you are saying this again. You will regret your life. Oh, I pity you. Yoruba ló ní bọ́gún yọ sínú ewé, bọ́gún yọ sínú ewé tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe ọbẹ̀ sínú èpo ẹ̀pà. Ẹni tó máa yó, ẹni tí ò dẹ̀ ní yó kò ní yó. Kò sí béèyàn ṣe fẹnu sọ, fojú sọ, fara sọ. Ọmọ tí ò bá ti ní gbọ́rọ̀, kò ní gbọ́ náà ni. Kọ́lọ́run kó ṣàánú, Kọ́lọ́run má ṣàṣì gbogbo wa lọ́nà. Another person, ohun too damn money. Only that's the one you attended. Okay. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, kí ni opinion ti yín lórí matter yìí? Ẹ máa bá wa jẹ́ sí comment torí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn, ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn pastors ní Nàìjíríà, ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn churches ní Nàìjíríà, kọ́lọ́run kó ṣàánú wa ni. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.